Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Priyanda. NIM 2010301047. I'm from class 3A2. So in this video, I will fulfill the assessment of review English course journal summary about active exercise. Health is the state of prosperity of the body, soul, and social that enabling everyone to live productively, socially, and economically. Related to health is often referred to as health. Physical is the coordination of the organs of the human body or living things, or the other are in normal circumstances and able to perform activities. Physiotherapy is a form of health care that is addressed to individual and group to develop, maintain, and restore body movement and function throughout the life cycle by using manual handling, increased motion equipment, physical, electrical, and mechanical function training, communication. When on case drop hand in is not given intervention, it will cause deformity, abnormality, joint stiffness, muscle weakness. From the review above, physiotherapy management provides modalities, namely electrical stimulation and exercise therapy in cases of drop hand dextra, radial nervous lesion for increased muscle strength in RSGD, RM Dr. Sojarwadi. Physiotherapy assessment is the initial stage of the physiotherapy process aimed at to obtain complete patient information and data to obtain effectiveness of the physiotherapy program to be given. As for the stage of physiotherapy, assessment consists of anamnesis and examination physiotherapy. Anamnesis is a question and answer activities that is carried out between physiotherapy with the patient directly or with the patient family, aims to get patient data and problems. Anamnesis system in patient with complaint of drop hand dextra, lesions radial nervus on the head and neck. There are no complaints of dizziness. At cardiovascular, no complaint of the chest pain. In respiration, there are no complaints shortness of breath. In gastrointestinal, the stool is smooth and controlled. On urge, the nerve form can still feel only motoric disturbed. Physiotherapy examination include vital sign, inspection, palpation, percussion, basic movement, cognitive, intrapersonal and interpersonal, functional abilities and activity environment, and examination special. The action of physiotherapy in this study through technology is done using electrical stimulation or ES and exercise therapy. Electrical stimulation of Faraday current is a physiotherapy intervention that aims to provide stimulation to muscle that are the point of stimulation is it is located on the skin where it aims to improve good work. It is located outside or inside. Modality which suitable for increasing muscle work, namely Faraday. The Faraday current given can cause therapeutic effect in the form of contraction facilities muscle, train muscle work, and train new muscle work. Repeated electric stimulation will provide information to supraspinal mechanism, so that there is an indication of motion pattern, and it becomes functional pattern movement. Electrical stimulation through motor can provide facilitation to weak muscle in making a move. Exercise therapy is the systemic performance, preventive movement of the body, posture, or physical activities intended to provide the patient or client means to prevent the occurrence of decreased muscle value, repair, restore, as well as improve physical function. Is that implementation using passive active body movement. On passive giving, this exercise can reduce that attachment of the original network. Shortening will be able to extend back and result in the return normal muscle function, so as to increase the area of joint movement. Active assisted is an active movement with it is quickly burdened from outside forces, causing stretching. Suddenly, the elongation of the fibers is detected by the muscle spindle, which it brings a dynamic fibers and cause the muscle to contact. The strength of the muscle spindle response is determined by the average sprinkling. In practice, it can be said that after activity assisted has provided an increase in muscle strength. So many video from me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.